G'day, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2005 Mazda MX-5 convertible, stock reference number 5283. This shape runs from the 10th month 2005 through to the 7th month 2015. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight. Left guard has one small dent. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left door has 2 small dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tidy rear bumper cover. Boot lid has 1 small dent. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Convertible soft top. Roof. Driver's side door trim. Mirror switch. Power window switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, aftermarket Kenwood touchscreen media player, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.